soccer training has been cancelled. Oh, and here there is an accident, a small accident. We have to be very careful. So we decided to go for some shopping in his favorite store in that big mall called Plaza Las Americas. And here we are. The best anime store in Playa. And this is what we bought. My son is a big Dragon Ball fan. He reads everything he can. So this has been a very nice raining day.